So I have kept this ready.
Yeah. Right. So this is the Oracle 2 data set, right? So better to
Yes.
yesterday I sent it some of the scenarios, right? The first 10
Yes.
scenarios. Yes.
Right.
So this is the first scenario. What is the first scenario?
Oracle to
Oracle
data set.
2 data set. So what is the
Yes.
Oracle to data set? What is the scenario? I mean, what is the basically? So my source is the Oracle and my target is the data set. I mean, the
Yes.
first 10 scenarios, I mean, first 9, just open the scenario document. First 9 scenarios, different sources into the different targets. EL jobs, not the ETL, simply you can say. So 10th scenario onwards ETL. So there are no transformations. Yes or no, right?
Right.
So extract
Right.
the
Right.
data, loading into the target, different sources into the different targets. There are no
Okay.
transformations. So you should know that. So what kind of the data you are going to storage? And what kind of the data
Correct.
you are going to extract? So different sources, you can understood that. Then you can apply the business logic. Okay, right.
Yes.
You can do it first scenario, you can start that. So Oracle to data set, already you did yesterday, but again you can start the scenario right place.
Okay.
So
Okay.
uh,
Uh,
here again, go to that new, go to the file, in the top toolbar file,
yes.
new, parallel job,
Okay.
click on OK. Right. From the source, database, from the source database, right? Oracle connector, drag and drop to canvas, then file, from
Okay.
the
Okay.
file,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Fine.
Without the file
Data
dragging
set.
up, you cannot see that those are the properties, right? So you need link up that.
Yes.
This is the EL extraction direct loading. You will not apply
Okay.
any business logics. Just a drag and drop to data set. Yesterday you did right, just simply drag and
Yes.
drop
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yeah.
Right. So now go to that Oracle connector. Now you
Here
can see the
server
all the
name.
properties. Without link up, you cannot see the properties. Right.
Correct. Correct.
So source is the Oracle, I mean server is the Oracle, username is a Scott, password is the Tiger, and make it your table name. I'm going to use the table name like EMP. Take the EMP table.
Yes. Table name, right?
Yes. Table name. EMP. Type it. Right. Now go to the
Okay.
columns. Columns tab is
Columns.
there. Load in the bottom level. Table definitions. Yesterday I said, right, how you are going to import the tables.
Yes. Yes.
Right. By default not available. You are importing. Already you did. So in case if you
Yes. Yes.
want import table definition of Oracle, plugin metadata. Plugin metadata. Then you have to select your database. Then you make it the your credential, server name, username, password. Then click on OK.
Oracle. Oh, yeah. Scott.
Scott Tiger. Then next and select your username and which one you
Uh,
want table. Scott.
yes.
Which table you want to import, you need to select, then import.
Uh,
So yeah,
yes.
click on OK. Yeah. So which table you want that? I already done, but
EMP.
this is the thing. So we
Okay.
once click on the import, that table was going to import it into your table definitions. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the way you are going importing of your database of the tables. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So now you can apply EMP table already there under the plugin. So which table you
Yes.
are going to loading EMP table.
EMP.
Yeah,
Yes.
EMP, right click on OK. All the columns. Better to OK. All the
Okay.
columns. That's fine. Yeah. Click on yes.
All
Right.
columns are
Click
there.
on OK. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So up to here, your Oracle connectivity is ready, right? Make it
Yes.
Control Alt Enter, full screen. Control Alt Enter.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Right. That's better. So now source is ready. Now go to the target path, C colon slash or found out slash.
Yes, yes, found out.
Yeah. C colon slash.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yeah. A.ds. Better to use that one second. SC1.ds. I mean scenario 1.ds. SC1.
This
SC1 means SC, no, no. C colon slash SC1.ds. I mean scenario 1 of the target.
okay, okay, okay.
This is scenario 1 of the target like this here. Right. So
Okay.
here, just click on that here. Columns are there. Columns are available or not. Without column
Yes.
names, you cannot do that, right?
Right.
Columns should be there. Better to use than not there here. Properties to columns to you can find out here with help of that. Say employee number. That is the SQL data type also is available and also length also is available. You can find out clear picture here. So
Yes.
all the 8 columns. Okay, right. So columns should be there. Without column, your data cannot load it. Remember
Okay.
that. Your job is
Okay.
success or not without columns.
No.
Columns are success. Your job is success, but your data is not there. Okay, I will show
Okay.
you.
So this
Better to.
one question, these
Yeah.
columns, like how did it came into the
Once you have to
target?
mapping right, yeah. Once your source is there, right? Within the source, you
Uh,
can drag and drop all the columns. Better to, I will
okay.
show you. Just to cancel this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Cancel this one. Now go to that. There is no only link right here. Only link here.
Yes. Yes.
Oracle to target. So within the source, what are the columns are there? Those are the all the columns is loading into the target automatically.
Okay. Okay.
Direct linking. In case you can apply any logic. In case you can apply
Okay.
any logic in the between. So in the target level, not come to the automatically.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Anyhow,
Okay.
I will show you after that. Okay, right.
Okay.
So better to go to that. One second. One second. One second. Uh, Go to the Oracle.
Okay. One
Go
second.
to the Oracle.
Mm, yeah.
Columns. Columns.
Columns. Yeah.
Uh, Load level. Loading level. Columns. Just remove those are the columns here.
Uh, which one?
All the columns. Yeah, all the columns. Remove
Uh,
all the columns. Remove that. Select all
uh,
and remove it. Otherwise,
uh,
control. Select one by one like this here.
okay. Okay.
Control button and select all one by one and have to remove it.
Remove for
Remove.
removing like how?
Remove means delete.
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 Okay.
Delete. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Now load.
Load.
Select MP. Click on OK. Yeah. Now remove in the right side. So left side in the source level, right side these are the target columns, right? Yes or no? In the data set columns
Correct.
actually. So remove
Correct.
here all the columns. Yeah. Now click on OK.
Okay.
Anything is there? Close.
Uh, cancel. What should
Cancel.
like okay?
Cancel. Yeah. Okay. Okay is there? Yeah. Yeah. Close.
Cancel. Okay.
Close.
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 Mm,
Columns are not coming. See that here. Why? Because of this is a direct level. Yes or no, right?
mm,
This is a
mm, mm,
direct level. So in case there are no columns, how you can load the data in the directly?
right.
That is the meaning of
Right.
that. So what I'm saying
Okay.
that here should be there at least one column.
Right. Right.
In
Right.
case one column also only one column of the data we are going to transfer. For example, right again load. Better load it. What are the columns your favorite? Just click on that. in the target level.
Okay. Okay.
Just what are
Uh,
the columns your favorite, just make it as 3-4 columns, just for
yes.
sample, whatever the columns
Yes.
you
Yes.
want.
So these two columns I okay.
Okay, fine. Right, click on it.
Okay.
So source level is the 8 columns are there, but target level you have the only 2 columns. Alright? Remember that.
Right.
Right, click on OK.
Okay.
In the target level, make it that target level. Make it the path. Columns, how many
Yes.
columns are there? 2 columns.
Should I check? Yes, two columns are
Yeah,
there. Correct.
2 columns, right? Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes it's showing that all the 8 columns, sometimes it's showing the 2 columns of the data. Okay, anyhow, we can see. Make it the path.
Okay.
Make it as path.
Column.
Properties.
Uh,
File C colon
C colon. Yes. And what was it?
slash sc1.ds.
sc1 dot ds. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So click on OK.
Yes.
Run the job. Run the job. Yes. So job name like a sc1 underscore vara underscore ds. sc1 means scenario 1. Vara
Oracle
means oracle underscore ds means
data
loading into the
data
data
set.
set. That is the meaning.
Data set.
Right.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Saved into that. If you not saved it, it is direct loading into that by default folder Oracle.
Okay.
Okay,
Run.
run it.
Two rows should be there.
Not the 2 rows, 2 columns. Rows is the 14 rows.
Right. 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 Two columns. Okay.
Just to see the
Sorry. Sorry.
output data.
Yes. Yes. Uh,
2 columns are 8 columns of the data you are showing that. No, third one. Second one. Yeah.
view
View.
link
Yeah.
data.
Normally showing that 2 columns and
Yes. Yes.
14 records. I mean, those what are the columns you are passing out into the target. So into those are the 2 columns of the data. You can be able to see that. Right?
Yes.
Yes
Yes.
or no?
Correct.
Out of the
Yes.
8 columns. So that's what I
Correct.
am
Correct.
saying that here. What are the columns are is available in the source level? I don't bother about the source level. In the target level, as for client requirement, so what are the columns of the data you require? That is important. Right? So in the source level, 100
But
columns are there.
whatever
Hmm.
columns we chose it in the source, right? Like two columns we chose, so we
What
chose
are
it
the
in the
data
source.
is coming from the client. Client of the data is different. So from the
Yes.
client, hundreds of the columns of the data will come in that. But all the
Right. Right.
100 columns of the data you don't want. Right?
Right. Right.
You don't want that. But at the target class, I want 10 columns. That is enough, right? For me.
Right.
Sourcer is available. I have a lot of the data in the source level, but I don't want those are the data. My
Right.
requirement
Right.
is some of the data is required. So you need to passing out in the target level. 100 columns is take the 100 minutes, for example, right? For
Right.
loading. But by requirement 10 columns. Within that 10 minutes, my work is completed. Why go for remaining 90 columns of the data?
Right.
Waste of
Right.
the time, right? For loading. So
Yes.
your
Yes.
optimization is less. That's the reason. What are the columns are required? You are going to take that.
Yes. Yes.
Is clear? Right? This is one of the point. Okay, right.
Yes.
So your job is successful based on that your requirement. I mean, this is the direct loading from Oracle database to target to the data warehouse. This is
Yes.
the scenario one. In the left side, A&R training is there. Under that SC1 job is there.
Where?
No,
Uh,
yes, A&R training level. SC1, you are
no. No. No.
created, right? SC1. No, why? Because of you are not saved into, you are not selected the A&R training folder.
Yes.
Just
Yes.
click,
Yes. Correct.
that is the meaning of that. So better to save it that. So better to go to that, save as the job. Right. Now again, go to the file, save as the same job. Select A&R training folder under the job folder. jobs
Yes.
folder, select a not any folder. Right, click on save it.
Is
Already
already
running,
in
right?
view.
Already running. So once close and open that, then you have to save it after some time. Yeah, after some time you have to work on that. No worry. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So that is the way also you are going to save it into as save as. Okay. This is the jobs.
Okay.
Close and then open. Then you have to save as. Already running, right? That's the reason. Yeah. Okay. After some time you are going to save as into the end of training folder. This is the SC1. Right?
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now I'll go to the scanner document. Open the scanner
Uh,
2.
Control data. Oracle to
First
Oracle.
one is the done. Yeah. First one is the done. Make it as completed.
Okay.
Right. Second one. So what is the second one?
Oracle to Oracle.
My source is Oracle, target also Oracle. Yes or no, right?
Okay. Yes.
So source is Oracle, but target also is the database. So you are extracting the data and loading the same target. It is possible.
Yes, it is possible.
My source is the MP table. My target means you are going to create one table, right? Yes or no? Database means you are going to loading the Oracle database. EMP
Right.
table
Right.
is going to passing a same table.
Uh,
Oracle, same database. EMP extraction, target is the EMP. The same EMP, it is possible.
Same table. I'm not sure. I don't
Yeah,
know.
you cannot.
Uh,
You cannot
yes.
load into the same table, same database. But
Right.
A the extraction table, target table should be B table. I mean, should be
Right.
have a different table, should not have the same table. I mean, same name. I'm talking about that.
Yes.
Structure
Okay.
or data is the same, but table name should be different. Not in
Okay.
the
Okay.
A equal to A, you cannot. A equal to
Okay.
B, you can. That's the way. Okay, right. Anyhow, source is a Oracle connector. Target also Oracle connector. Right. Link of that. Link up.
Yes.
Same thing in the source. All the credentials. Take the MP table.
Yes. I'm just trying to
Link of
find
that.
the link.
Drag and drop it. Yes.
Yes.
Source is maybe you know right. Already did. So make it as all the credential. Unload the columns.
Yes.
Server name is Oracle. Username is Scott. Password is the Tiger. And take the MP table. Unload the columns.
Runtime. Yes. Password. Table name is
EMP.
EMP. Yes. And
Load the
columns
columns.
EMP. Okay.
Right. Yes. Make it all the
Yes.
columns. Better.
Okay. Yes.
Click on OK. Click on OK. Now this is a source is ready. Source table is the
Yes.
MP table. Okay. Right. And now go to
Right.
the target.
Okay.
And target Oracle. Double click on that. Make it all the connections are same as.
Okay.
Server name is Oracle. Username is Scott. Password is the Tiger. And then table name not in the MP. SC1
Ah.
underscore SC2 underscore TGT. Table name
Okay.
SC2. I mean scanner 2 of the target table.
SC2.
SC2 underscore Vara underscore TGT. SC2 underscore Vara. I mean this is Oracle table like this. Oracle Vara
Underscore is not
underscore
working. Um,
mm, maybe not display sometime. Yeah. Vara underscore TGT. Just type it. Type
Space
it.
should the
Underscore. No, no, not a space. Underscore.
SC2 or underscore is not
Unders.
there. So can I just okay
Continuously. Okay, that's fine. SC2. Vara TGT.
TGT target? Okay.
Remember that. Underscore also is working. Just try to work on that. No,
Yes, yes, yes.
try it. That's better to view that properly.
Okay,
SC2 underscore Vara underscore TGT.
okay. Should I try in Notepad once, miss, quickly?
Yeah,
If
yeah. Why not? Why not? Just copy paste it here. Copy paste it. Maybe it's not working. I hope. Yes. Just try that one. Try that.
SC2 here it is working.
That is also working, but not display.
Okay, okay, okay,
Is working, but not display in the Oracle level.
okay, okay,
Just
okay.
copy paste it. Is working.
So copy paste is not working.
Okay. Try that one. SC2 underscore
SC2
underscore make it as
underscore
if not display. Vara underscore
Aura
Vara underscore
TGT.
TGT. Yes.
Okay,
Right. So now this is the table name is not available within your database. Yes or no, right?
right.
SC2O underscore Vara underscore TGT within your database is not available.
Right.
Now come down here. Table action. Come down here.
Okay.
Table
Table
action is the
action.
append,
Yes.
create,
Yes.
replace, truncate. So we are going to create that, not in the append, not in the replace, not in the truncate. So I want create the table. Which table?
Oh,
This is a new table. Which data? From the source. What are the columns are there? What are the columns are there? Just click on that here columns.
columns.
Which
Okay.
columns are there? I am not loaded in the target level. So by default from the source, what are the columns are there? Those are the columns which come to the target. Yes or no, right?
Right. Right. Yes. Yes.
Maybe two columns, maybe five columns, maybe all. Before you
Yes.
did
Yes.
right, same. So what are the columns you are mapping before that? Those are the columns is loading at the target level. Clear, right? This is the thing here.
Yes.
Why? Because of this is a direct loading.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Click on OK. So what
Okay.
happened here? Source is the MP table, 8 columns, 14 records of data. You are going to load in the same database, but target table name is different. SC2 underscore Vara TGT. The
Okay.
table is going to create into your same database. Right?
Means
This is action is going on.
we can
Yeah.
create table through data stage itself, like just by clicking
Yes.
create. It's
Yes.
new table. Oh,
So yeah.
okay.
In case within as a database level, create table, table name, within the bracket, MP. So you are going to make it all the columns and then you are loading the, all the 14. Yes, all right.
Right.
In the
Right.
database development level. So that is a very difficulty. But here, directly you are very simple thing. You are going to create the table with help of the data stage. All right.
Right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are going to create the table. You are loading a lot of the data also directly. Very
Yes.
simple manner. Right. Now run it.
Okay.
Run the job. Now you need to select your folder name is
Yes. Yes.
ANR training. Otherwise,
Yes.
saved into that Oracle folder. Right.
Yes.
Job name SC2 underscore Vara underscore Vara. SC2 underscore Vara underscore Vara. SC means scalar to Oracle, direct load
To
to
Oracle.
Oracle.
Right.
Save it.
Uh, Save.
So running, compilation, once compiled successful, loading into the target. Blue color, green color, red color. Yes.
Green color.
Yeah. So how much data?
14 rows.
14 rows is showing right in the green color,
Yes,
where
yes.
you can see the target data. So before scenario 1, the target is the data set, right? You are going to be able to see
Ah,
your target data,
right, right.
right? But now Oracle database. So this is the database where you can see that your target table data. You can see it both the ways, either designer itself or either your database level also.
Okay,
SQL
okay. Yes,
Plus. Open your
yes,
SQL
yes.
Plus.
Ah, yes. Once.
Open SQL Plus.
Uh,
Minimize the designer and then you have to. Here also you can see that your target table name. Username is
yes.
Scott. Password the tiger.
Uh,
Click on OK.
Sorry.
Username
Uh,
Scott. Password the tiger.
and host string is the
No,
table
no
name, right?
required. Yeah, no, 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 not required. Just click on OK.
Okay.
So now set line 300, set line 300, semicolon enter.
Set, set.
SCT set space line 300, line line 300, semicolon enter. Now shall
Okay.
start from your table name. Why you can use the set line? The display perspective level, not
Ah, right,
overlapping.
right, right.
Shall start from what
SC2,
your table name? SC2 underscore vara
SC2,
underscore vara.
or underscore target, I think, na? Not
TGT.
yes.
Semicolon enter.
Yeah.
Before that, this is the table is not available. Now your
Right,
table
right.
is created, right? So we can
Yes.
see in the target in the SQL Plus in the database level. One more, with the help of the designer also you can see that. Why not? View the data. Right click
Yes.
on the right target.
Ah,
Open the designer. Open the designer. Right click on the right view the data. Yes. Yes. So database level, you can see in that either target level or either your database level also.
right.
So this is the
Yes.
your data, target data. Okay,
Right.
right. So now close.
Close.
This is the second scenario. I mean,
Yes.
Oracle to data set like a database you are loaded. Oracle to database you are loaded. Right. Now third scenario. What is the
Should
third?
I just
Yeah, 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 yeah.
rename this test 2 to like Oracle to data, the
No,
data
no,
set?
no, no, not the test two. So you are going to save as scenario one, right? You're asking that.
Ah, right, right.
Yeah, just go to the scroll down. In the table definitions are there. One of the folder table
Mm.
definitions. Under that, Oracle
Plugin,
plugin.
Oracle.
Under the Oracle,
Okay.
you are saved into
Ah,
the here
okay.
by default. So right click on that.
Okay.
Uh,
No, this is correct. Uh,
the job is fine. If you want save as,
so, okay. So, if I open this and save as again,
select that. Okay, file save as.
save as
Go to the
jobs,
jobs, not running folder. Right, click on
save,
save it. Okay, same name, yeah,
already.
same name. User, right? Better use that SC01. SC01.
Okay.
Make it as, yeah.
So we can't we can't move the job in this folder. Like,
Not in that, already there under that.
ah,
Not to move it, rename it.
okay.
Now 01, that is also one you can save it. Now you can secure that
Uh, uh, now in
under the end of
jobs.
training folder.
Yes. Here.
So 0, 1 is there, 2 is there. Okay. So 0, 1 means that is the
Yes.
scenario 1. Okay. Right.
Right.
So now this is the two scenarios. So both the
Right.
scenarios, the source is the same. Third one also
Right.
same. Right. Now go to the third scenario.
Yes.
Go to
Sequential.
the third.
Oracle to
Yeah.
sequential file.
Now second one is completed. Third one.
Ah.
So third
Yes.
one
One.
is the same source. Remember that. Same source is the
Yes.
Oracle, the same source. But target is the
Yes.
different. First scenario
Yes.
target is the data set. Second target is the Oracle database. Third target is sequential file. This is one is the file level filing. Sequential file means target is the flat file. Sequence file
Yes.
means flat file you can say. So database of the data I am going to loading into the flat file. This is the meaning. Remember that
Right.
important. Right
Yes.
now this is a new job. Right, click on OK. Source is the Oracle connectivity. Source is the Oracle. Target is the sequence file from the file sequential file. Link of that.
Ah.
Link of that.
This link up.
Link up. Mhm. Right. Now make it as same as Oracle connectivities, credentials.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Server is Oracle. Username is Scott. Password is the Tiger. EMP table.
Table name.
Table name is EMP.
Columns.
Target. Columns. Load the columns. Make the table definition like EMP. One second. So here TGT table is available. The list out. No.
Sorry. No.
Before
No.
you
No.
created
No.
one table, right? Why within the
Yes.
database
Yes.
you have it, but you are not imported. That's the
Yes.
reason.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
if you want, you can import it. Okay, right now click on OK.
Okay.
Yes, click on OK. Click on OK. Right, target. This is a sequential file, not the data set, not the Oracle. Just to make it as
Okay.
your file.
TXT file.
Right. Yeah. So
So.
SC3,
I
SC3,
have to give any folder or directly SC3.
C
Like.
colon. Better use
Ah.
that. C colon, C drive. Make it the path. That is the better way. Always you can use the path.
Okay. C colon.
C colon, SC3 dot txt. This is a text document. In the data set means dot ds. Target the
Right.
data
Right.
set means dot ds. This is a text document. So
Dot
SC3
TXT.
underscore tgt. Otherwise, the dot txt, that's why better directly. No need to tgt.
Okay.
So
Okay.
sc3 dot txt. Okay, dot txt. So what are the columns are is available? All the 8 columns are is available. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So how much data will come to the target? Should be 14 records, right? In the target the
Right.
data set 14 records data loaded. In the
Right.
Oracle the target 14 records data is loaded, right?
Right.
This is a
Right.
sequencer file. How much data you are expecting? The 14, right?
14.
Yes, you can
Right.
see. You can see. You can see how much data will come back. Right.
Okay.
Now, click on OK. Run the job. Saved it to the end of running.
Yes.
Not in the all the columns. Not coming. I will show you. 4 columns
Okay.
maybe. I mean, 4 rows will come there. Right. So here, sc3 underscore vara underscore sq.
Right.
Sq means sequence file. Right. Saved into the end of tiny folder. Right. Right. Yes. So from the Oracle, all the 14 records of data loading into the sequential file.
Right. Yes.
See that in the green color, 14 rows
Right.
is passing out into the target, right? Just see your target
Right.
data. 14 records came or not.
Yeah.
How many rows it came? Not in all. Why not in all? Only 4 rows.
Checking. Checking time.
Right.
Why
So
only
how many
4 rows?
rows? 4 rows,
Four.
right? No worry. I will explain that. So
Okay.
4 rows is came, right? Not
Hmm.
all the columns. Why? This is one of the intro question asking that.
O-
Why
Okay.
the 4 records? Instead of the 14, only 4 records
Acha,
came. Why? Because
duplicate
yeah.
records or something were there? Duplicate
No,
records?
no,
No.
no.
Then why? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Tell me.
One option there here. So commission column is there, right? Just observe that here commission column,
This one?
seventh column.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah.
So some of the data is available, right? 1400 something something is there, right? Some
Right.
data.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Now
Right.
close. Open the Oracle. Open the Oracle database. Open the Oracle database. Oracle means here SQL plus. I am talking about
Okay. Okay. Okay.
SQL
Okay.
plus.
Okay. Ah.
Shall start from EMP. This is your source table, right? Shall start from EMP. Open SQL plus.
Why it is not open?
SQL plus. Just click on that.
Why does
Not coming.
nothing is happening?
In the background maybe.
Yeah.
All right. So now shall start from EMP. Otherwise here already there, right? One of the EMP table. EMP vara underscore TZ. That is also EMP table of the data, right? Yes or no? Right. Come to
Yes.
that here. Commission column is there. Just observe that here.
Okay.
How
Why it
many
is showing?
rows are there?
Oh, sorry, sorry. Here, na, 1 second.
Uh,
How many? There are 14 rows.
Totally 14 records are there. But
Right.
here within the commission column, 500, 1400, 300, 0.
Okay, okay. Okay,
How
okay,
many
okay.
values are there totally? 4
Four.
values.
Okay.
Remaining,
Null values.
remaining are the
Okay.
null values, right? Yes or no?
Ah,
So
yes, yes,
what
yes.
understood here? Just now tell me.
So
Null
if the values
values
are
is not. Ah, ah, yeah.
okay, okay. So if there are null values, it will not take
Ah.
those records. Like
Yes. Simply you can say the sequential file is not by default. I am talking by defaultly. Sequential file not allow the null values out of the
okay,
table. Out of the table.
okay.
Right? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
yes.
within the commission column, some null values are there. So those are the data is not accepting.
Right, right, right.
But
Yes.
my requirement. So by default not allows. That's true, right? But
Right,
my requirement, I want
right.
including the null values also. I want my
Yes,
requirement, all the values should become. So actually, only commission column the null values are there, but remaining columns, there are no null values. Those are the columns
right.
values I want. How you
Yes.
can? That is my requirement. So including the null values also I want. For that what have to? You need to remember this is the navigations. Now go to the
Okay.
format tab. One of
Format.
the tab is there format. Right.
Yes.
Under that, just click on the field default folder. Just click on the field default folder. Once click on that here, come to the in the right side. In the right side, some of the options are there. Under that, null field value is there. Right. One click on that. Is came right. Is asking the
Yes.
question mark. In the right
Right.
side again, box is there. White box is there. Zero. Make it the zero.
Okay.
Right. Click on OK. Remember this is the navigation. Click on
Okay.
OK. Now run the job.
Okay.
Now how much data will come the target?
14 rows will be there.
Including the null values also. Those are the values is come to the target. I mean all the 14 records of data, all the 8 columns will come to the target.
Yes.
So this is one of the interesting question. Remember that. So by default the sequence file not allows the null values throughout the table. If you
Yes.
want, you can go to this is the navigation. How format under that default folder, field default, click on that, under that null field value, under that make it the
Format.
0, then run that here.
Okay.
Field default folder, once click on that, null field value will come there. Just add the null field value, then make it the
Uh,
0, then you have to run it. This is the
yes. Okay.
navigation. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Now you can see the target data. Are you able to see all the data?
Yes. Yes. I have seen. Yes.
Yeah. Including the null values. I mean all the 14 records of the data. But null values, how it shows? Null values are 000 na.
Yes.
Within the oracle, you showing the empty, right? Blank space. But
Right.
here, you showing the
Null. Null.
null values, not the blank, right? Yes or
Right.
no?
Right. Yes.
So this is the null values.
So,
So
one
in
question,
yeah yeah
like instead of zero, if we put
uh,
something else, like then
one
will it
two
still
it
show null?
not working. Your job is
Not.
failed.
Okay, 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 okay,
That is the
okay, got it.
condition. That is the formula. So null
Okay.
it that is the zero is accepted.
Ah, okay,
Okay.
okay, got it.
Right. So now this is one of the different. Now go to the C drive once again. Now go to the C drive. So you are given the path like a C drive, right? Yes or no? Within the C
Yes.
drive, are you able to see that? So within the
Uh,
design itself, you can see that. But go to the C drive. I mean target level,
uh,
target path. What is your target path? C colon sc3.txt, right? Just to go to the C drive.
yes, yes,
C
yes.
drive. Go to the my computer. Under that C drive.
C drive.
Right. So
Ah,
here SC3, this is the text document. Are you
yes,
able to see the data?
yes,
You can see all the 14 columns you are able to see that here. That's fine, right?
yes,
So
yes.
what is the 20 here? Last one, first line, last 20, right? What is that?
Uh,
Okay,
I
anyhow. Okay, fine. 7369, right? What is that? That is the number.
where?
But what is the car?
Yes, yes.
First, first line.
Employee
7369.
number is
Employee number?
employee number.
Okay.
Yes.
Smith,
Name, employee name.
what is the clerk?
Might be position. Means, okay, the column
No.
names are not there.
So you are
Uh,
confusion, right? Simply you can
right,
say
right,
without column headers, you are going to make the confusion. What is this? What is this? Right?
right, right,
What I'm saying
right,
that here, I want including the headers into the
right,
target. That is also my
right, right.
requirement. So this is one requirement. Without null values is one requirement. Now including the headers also one requirement. You have see that three requirements within the same scenario. Okay.
Right.
So based on the requirement, you are going to make it as. Remember that. I am telling
Okay,
all the properties as per requirement. Now
okay,
double click on the sequencer file.
okay.
So here first line is the column names. false is there, right?
Yes, yes.
Make it as a true. Click
Okay.
on OK. First line is the column names. Remember that. First line is the column
Okay.
names means first line should be column names, then second line onwards
The
the
data.
data. Yes.
Right, right.
Now run it and view the data
Yes.
again. Null field value by defaultly not allows.
Right.
Second one,
The
including the null
columns,
field
column names are not
values.
there. Yes.
Yeah. Third one is the column names.
Okay, okay. Got it. Now, if it is complete.
You able to see
Now,
the
if I,
yes. See the
yeah,
data. Go to the C drive. Here you can see that. Go
yeah.
to the C drive.
Okay.
Yes, double
Should I
click on
refresh
that.
it? Okay.
Double click. No, 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 not required. See
Ah,
that here.
okay, okay,
See
okay.
that here.
Yes.
We include in the column header. Now you are clear picture. 20, that is the
Right,
department number. 800, that is the column names. Salary, hire date. So you are going able to see that the proper way, the table.
right,
Yes or
right.
no, right? This is the thing.
Yes,
So that is the within the data set, are you able to see the data? Yeah, in the
within the
scenario
data.
one, close, yeah. In the scenario one, you are loaded, right? sc1.ts. Are you able to see the data? No, no, no. In the
Yes,
target
yes.
tab only. In the C drive. In the C drive.
Okay, okay, okay. Ah,
In the C
in
drive,
data set.
sc1.ts, data set of the data, are you able to see that
No, no, because it
directly?
is encrypted, I guess, right?
This is the encrypted format. 1 second, I will show you. So select a program, click on OK. Why? Because of
Okay.
this is the data set format, not in the .txt format.
Right, right,
Data
right.
set format is the encrypted format. You cannot see
Right,
the data directly. Notepad.
right.
Select the notepad.
Not, not bad. Okay.
Click on OK.
Right.
Just read it here.
Torrent of history.
Orchestrate data.
Right, right.
Descriptor format.
Yes.
Orchestrate data set descriptor. I mean, you cannot see the data. Actually, this is a file. You have the 14 records of the data. Actually, this is the sc1.h file. This is one of the file, right? Within the
Right,
file,
right,
you have the loaded already there 14 records of the data, but you
right.
cannot see that directly. You cannot see that directly. Yes or no, right? Why? Because
Yes, yes.
of it is encrypted mode. I mean,
Correct.
descriptor.
Right,
Orchestrate
right.
descriptor, the format. This is the dataset format. You cannot see directly. But I want to see that. How?
Mm.
I want to see the table format level. How you can see the target data of the dataset of the target data? How you can? Right. Close. Go to the
Close.
designer.
Uh, okay.
Go to
Mm.
the designer. In the main toolbar tools. In the main
Tools.
toolbar tools.
Tools. Okay.
Dataset management. Dataset management. Browse.
Uh,
Will come. The pop-up will come. Right.
okay.
Pop-up will come.
Yes.
Browse and select the file. Just scroll down. You can find out sc1.s. sc1.s.
Yes.
Right. Click on OK.
Okay.
How much data? 14. Just to see
14
that
crore.
one more. Node 1, node 2 is there right here. Within your
Yes.
mission, two nodes are there. I will explain that later. What is the node? What is use of the node? Everything. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
within your mission, two nodes are there. This is a
Yes.
parallel jobs. Parallel your
Right.
data is going to load it. Right.
Okay.
Total how much data? 14 records of the data. You can
Correct.
see the count right here. But I want to see the
Yes.
data. I want to see the texture also. 14
Right.
records. The count is fine, but I want to see the toucher. Toucher means what are the columns are there? I want to see that.
Right.
In the top level, you have some toolbar, right? Second toolbar.
Yes.
Second toolbar. What is that?
Show schema window.
Schema. Schema means toucher. Right. Just click on that.
Okay.
Click on that. Schema. I mean toucher. Table definition. I mean 14 records. How is it loaded? These are the columns. This is schema,
Right.
right? These are the
Yes.
8 columns. Right. Close. You can see the schema. Right. Next option. Data.
Right.
Right. Just click on that.
This is schema window. This is data
This is
window.
the
Okay.
data window. Right. View the window. Just right. Click on OK.
Okay. Now the data will show. Okay. Okay.
Right. See that here. Are you able to see the data right properly?
Yes.
So what I'm
Yes.
saying that here, data set once loaded into the target, directly you cannot see that. How you can
Right.
see? With help of the data set
Data set man.
management.
Right. Right.
Just remember that. So two things.
Yeah.
That is one of the differentiation. What is the difference between data set to sequential file? Within the sequential file, directly you can see the data.
Data.
But data
Correct.
set, this is a descriptive format, you cannot see directly in the target level. How you can
Right.
see with help of the data set
Set.
mode.
Yes. Right.
Right? Data set format, you can see that. This is the different.
Yes.
Data set format like a .ds extension file, sequential file, .txt format, extension
Right.
file. Okay? Right. So this is the third scenario, the differentiation. Clear, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Close this
Yes.
one. So do one thing
Yes.
here. That's all by today. We have the almost done today.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
want you need to practice more. So again, you
Right.
need to create one folder. Right. So now go to the job folder. Go to
Job.
the job
Okay.
folder.
Yeah.
Right click on that. New folder. New folder. Practice. You are completed 3 scenarios. These are the three
Right.
scenarios you need to practice and show to me tomorrow within the practice folder.
Sure. Yes. Three,
Right?
four, three
You need,
scenarios.
yeah,
Right.
yes, these are the 3 scenarios. Again, you need to create, save it into the practice folder. Within the
Yes.
practice folder, these are the 3 scenarios you should be showed me by tomorrow session. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine, right?
Yeah. Yes.
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 So that's all by today, almost in the 1 hour. So see you
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
If you
Thank
have
you.
any doubts, just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay? Right.
Sure.
Have a
Sure.
good day.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening.